give you another thing, one of the things you want to do when you paint. And one of these do's is always move your furniture or always remove the TV and paint behind the TV properly. You can see we've got a scenario right here. There was a big piece of furniture, in this room. The previous painters didn't want to move the furniture. So not only did they not paint the trim, but you can see the white. There's two different color whites. They didn't even paint the white on this wall. So it's really bad practice to do that. It doesn't look good if the customer goes to move the furniture and all of a sudden they got this unpainted wall and trim behind there that they got to deal with now. And I know in the past, there's probably 2 times in my career in the last 20 years where I couldn't paint around a piece of furniture or something. One of them was a large bookshelf. And one of the things you want to do, one thing I did is I left the customer on way more paint than they would need to actually paint the scenario if they actually move the thing. One of them was a huge bookcase that was mounted to the wall, but it was away from the wall. And what you want to do is just let the customer know, if you ever do move, if you ever do take this bookcase with you, that just give me a call. I'll come back and I'll repaint this wall, and they'll have the paint, there, for you to repaint it, and you're not buying new paint that won't match and stuff. So one of the things you want to do always is move your furniture, take TVs off the wall or whatever you're going to be painting around. This one's got a mounting bracket, so I'm going to take the TV off. I'm going to cut around the mounting bracket. I'm not going to remove the mounting bracket, but at least I'll be painting right around that bracket. So we're going to take this TV off now.